everyone, my name is John Mercio Dornella from BetLX1C, currently studying at Sorsogon State University, and I am your presenter for today. For our lesson for today, I will tackle all about the problem solving and reasoning. The scope of our topic is definition of terms, inductive and deductive reasoning. First, what is reasoning? Reasoning is associated with thinking, cognition, and intellect. The field of logic studies ways in which humans reason, formally, truth argument. Reasoning may be subdivided into forms of logical reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, abductive reasoning, and other mix of reasonings considered more informal, such as intuitive reasoning. Considered more informal, such as intuitive reasoning and verbal reasoning. And next, what is inductive and deductive reasoning? Deductive and deductive reasoning are tools we use to make the theorems, postulates, assumptions, and proofs do the lifting for us. To avoid confusing the two, remember that inductive start the specific and try to create a general conclusion which is usually not valid. And deductive reasoning start with the same general observations and deducts every unnecessary distractions to leave a specific valid conclusions. For now, let's look a real life for example. First, all dolphins are mammals. All mammals have kidneys. Using the deductive reasoning, you can conclude all dolphins have kidneys. Remember, for this to work, both statement must be true. And try a few examples. All numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. The number 35 end with 5. So, it must be divisible by 5. Number 2, it's dangerous to drive on icy streets. The streets are icy now, so it would be dangerous to drive on the streets. Well, inductive reasonings means coming to a very broad conclusions based on just a few observations. The term inductive reasonings refers to reasonings that takes specific informations and makes broader generalizations that considered probably while still remaining open to the fact that the conclusions may not be 100% guaranteed. There are types of inductive reasonings. First is statistical induction. Uses a small of statistics to make generalization. Example of statistical inductions. Since 95% of the left-handers I've seen around the world use left-handed scissors, 95% of left-handers around the world use left-handed scissors. And next type, it's causal inference. The next is causal inference. It uses inductive logic to draw a conclusions link. Example, in the summer, there are ducks on our pond. Therefore, Samuel will bring ducks to our pond. And the next type is analogical inductions. And the next types is analogical inductions. Mary and Jim, example, Mary and Jim are left-handed and use left-handed scissors. Bill is also left-handed. The conclusions, Bill also uses left-handed scissors. And the next types is predictive inductions, using the information from the past. Example of predictive inductions, in the past, ducks have always come to our pond. Therefore, the ducks will come to our pond this summer. And we have the other type of reasoning. First is abductive reasoning. Abductive reasonings take a set of observations and use a theory to explain them. And the second is backward induction. consider the different decisions that lead to the conclusions. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.